Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to hide Steam inventory, and now let's dive right in. Now to hide your Steam inventory, first open up your Steam app and log into your Steam account, as I have already logged in over here guys. And when you land on this interface of the Steam profile on your Steam app, at the top right corner of the screen you can see your username available for us. Just beside the question mark over here with the drop down arrow available for us, click on your username at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of menu will appear. Click on the view my profile option, which is the first one, and you land on this interface where you will be able to view the edit profile option over here at the right side where my mouse is hovering. Click on the edit profile button over here, and this kind of interface will appear. Again, we'll be required to click on the privacy settings option over here where my mouse is hovering at the left side guys. You can see, click on the privacy settings over here and you land on this interface. And now under the category of my profile, here it says inventory guys. You can see I have set it to private. If it's on public or friends only for you, in order to hide your Steam inventory, click on the private button over here and it will be saved automatically, you can see. And with that being done guys, with that set to private, you will have hidden your Steam inventory on your Steam account. And yeah guys, this is how to hide your Steam inventory. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.